Won't you spare me over till another year? Well, what is this that I can't see with ice cold hands taking hold of me? Well, I am death, none can excel. I'll open the door to heaven or hell. Whoa, death, someone would pray. Could you wait to call me another day?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading out goose hunting. It's actually my first goose hunt, so we're gonna see how this goes. But we're gonna go out and have some fun either way. If any of you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, because we'd love to have you on the next one. We're actually heading once again right across the street from the house, where I've been seeing geese land pretty much every day for the last I'd say 4 weeks. So we're gonna go in and get set up in a spot where I think they should come into range, set up some decoys and make it happen. So bear with me, and here in a minute we'll be set up. Alright guys, we just got set up. We got our decoys out and we're all brushed in. Got a makeshift goose blind set up. So we're all set up. Gonna load this gun up now. Make sure it's on safety. Which it is. Using a brand new 20 gauge I bought a couple years back. It's a Stevenson 20 gauge. And we're rocking the Winchester Expert waterfowl bullets. 7-8 ounces. So we're gonna chill and wait for them to come in, and hope you guys enjoy. And like I said, if any of you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. We'd love to have you on any of the other ones that are going to be coming up. We'll be doing a lot of this kind of stuff. We'll be doing a lot of everything. So, and I do think that there'll be some more deer videos to come up, because we got some other hunters in the group that haven't shot deer yet. So I'll probably get in on some hunts with them and get some more deer knocked down. But hang tight and we're gonna get after it. Ready to get them birds? Gonna get them. I know you're not one of those normal hunting dogs, huh? You're a little bit taken care of. Yeah. It's alright, we'll get you tuned up and get you in shape here for the geese and ducks here. Come on, go and get them. You ready to get him, Cider? That's what I'm talking about. He's ready. That's the look of a ready dog right there. He's ready. Yeah, this is quite different than what I'm used to. I'm used to freaking having to be like as still as a tree and not being able to talk. Now we just got to hear them coming in and
just hear their calls and then once you hear that, then it's
try to pull them.
Quiet.
Yeah, try to pull them in and then. Stay back in your. Back up, kennel. Good boy.
He's like, hey, I still don't like it. And then Cody just found out that he's been getting charged like whatever $24 since 2024. $24 or something for a protection thing against fraud people, but it actually was a fraud company.
Oh, that's great.
Paying for anti-fraud protection when Cody never even signed up for it.
Figures just his luck.
Yeah, that's what he's been paying it since 2004.
Yeah, those are good. Good crackers. What? You want a treat too? Here.
Salt, that's only helps. That's for sure. That's like a goose or a bird or something. Yeah, it should.
Look good?
It should. I just gotta move a couple little things.
Sweet.
So I can do that from right here.
Nice.
Couple little There's gonna be sun on it. There ain't much I can do about that.
Yeah, just try to just get as good as you can.
I should have a wide frame like that and with the woods
Sounds good.
right where they should go. My phone's starting to die, so I'm gonna put it on airplane mode. Nothing comes in, it's not looking for service.
I'm not sure what all those birds are that keep swooping around. I think those are like pigeons.
Either that or swallows. It could be swallows. Depends on how big they are. Swallows have like really sharp, pointy wings. Thin.
I feel like this is gonna get really exciting once it starts to happen. They're coming in. It's gonna get crazy. You see him? Don't move, Cider. Stay still.
Here comes another one.
Today we're on a goose hunt. Second goose hunt now of our lives. So had some opportunities come in last night, but haven't shot anything flying in like a long time, like 10 years. So had some getaway, but we're about to set up this about to brush in these blinds, get the dog set up, get everything lined up, and get our decoys out. So thanks again, and here we go. Facing this way.
So?
stay. Nothing like some fresh Dr. Pepper while you're goose hunting. And zebra cakes.
Yeah, that's what they taste like.
Was that a zebra or was that a Hershey's one? Those Hershey's ones.
And it's the Hershey cookies and cream cake.
Oh, that was good.
They remind me of the zebra cakes, though.
I ate it in 1 or 2 bites.
This is not very comfortable.
Even more uncomfortable if you didn't have that cushion.
It's been worse. Here you go.
Oh, you want more?
I'm gonna take a little more.
No, I don't want to fill them all the way up.
I was thirsty already.
It's gonna get shit in them. As soon as the wind blows, there's gonna be something in it.
Right. Little fatty nugget.
Dang.
You know what's crazy, James?
What?
See that right here on this?
What?
See the blood on this? It's from my deer.
Oh, you went down and grabbed that one?
Yeah, there's blood on it. Well, actually, there's all these. It ran all the way down this whole edge here, right through the middle of it. Got a little blood on there. It adds character.
Blood's on it.
Blood don't. That head on that decoy don't look like it's about to fall off, does it?
Which one?
The one where its head's straight up and down, closest to us.
I don't think so. That one actually sits pretty well.
All right, cool.
One of the ones with the neck bent neck ones.
They look good. I know that. Well, I started thinking about it. I was like, what could be the problem yesterday? What did we do wrong? And I'm sitting there, I'm like,
You didn't have just a mustache.
oh, I had the beard going.
Maybe we
So
might
then
have luck
I
if
trimmed
shaved
it off. Now I got just a mustache. So the power is there today. You guys watch. Today's the day. Because I got the stash power going.
Oh, I
Okay,
might have
you
had
say
to
so
shave
then.
mine.
Huh?
I probably needed to shave mine off.
Yeah, you needed to shave the beard and rock. Yeah, like we were talking about.
No, I had to shave off my mustache. Be honest.
No.
Yeah,
Nope.
I'd be rather honest than mustache.
That jeopardizes the power, see?
Yeah, I'm not a firefighter. I don't want mustache.
You gotta rock the fuel. That'll get them coming.
Mustaches are for men that wake up at 5 in the morning and drink coffee to watch the sunrise, and firefighters. I'm good.
Yeah, well, we're gonna do that, so eventually we'll be up doing goose hunting. So I guess it'll work.
No, I ain't gonna get up at that time just to watch the sunrise and drink coffee. That's what mustache
No, but you'll be
men
out
do.
here already, so you'll see it rise.
Then after that, they go out and cut down a tree and shoot a bald eagle. And
Shoot a bald eagle. They do not do that. YouTube, they do not do that.
That's
That's
man.
extremely illegal. Don't do it.
Oh, it's something from Family Guy. Feels like an episode of.
think he wants some too.
Yeah, I like to show my cup.
He's still gonna get some though.
No, I definitely need some. It's a little chilly.
He's a little chilly, but he gets some.
Oh, I took
Gotta get a little windy.
all my wind.
Are you getting some, James, or no?
I'm good. I'll save it for later. I'll save mine until later. What are you gonna put it up against me?
And I didn't say very warm.
I don't want it.
Is it cold already?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right.
Well, I mean, it's
Wow.
cold out here.
Probably because of just not having that lid on it. Probably that extra lid.
Cold hot chocolate. Right.
Chili.
Cool chocolate. Yay.
Alright, you good, Cider. Kick back and relax, buddy.
I know I'm gonna sit back and relax. I don't think I'm relaxing. Wish I had more room like you guys. Yeah, you guys got plenty of room, and I only got like a quarter of room.
You're alright, buddy. Chill out.
Oh, Cider, they're like really cute. Give me some. Come on. Thank you. What are these?
Chester fries.
Want some of these, Rudy? Oh, right now. Have we had these ones?
Just calm down, Rody's gonna come back. Shh. No, just stay. Just running.
Who wants the other half of my Kit Kat?
Powered by Yeti. Get you on.
Who wants the other half of my Kit Kat?
I'm good. I don't need anything right now. I'm good.
Rudy, do you want it?
He's not here.
Oh.
Big eagle just swooped down and grabbed him. It's crazy out here in the jungle. You gotta watch out for eagles.
I can store it in the corner.
Must be my gloves.
Yeah. Probably need to see your real hand.
This is not getting electrical touch or whatever it is.
I just can't scan it. I can't see the skin color. It works when I get when I use my black gloves though.
They're probably thin enough where you're.
No, these are thinner. It's not that, it's the color.
Huh.
These are camo, so it's just not picking it up.
Huh.
Yeah, my hands are normal. Because I'm not wearing my camo gloves right now.
Pretty glad I bought this shotgun now.
Alright.
Yeah.
Got a brand new shotgun to use.
Yeah.
Instead of using Grandpa's.
And I like using Grandpa's, but I like using new stuff too. I've killed plenty of animals with his gun, and I'll keep killing them with it. But this one hasn't collected anybody yet. Try to make it the new goose and pheasant and duck gun.
That's not a bad idea. I'm sure the other guys probably do that same thing. Probably have a duck gun, a deer gun,
Yeah.
gun for everything. Yeah, you got about 15-20 minutes probably before we hear anything. Maybe
Yeah. What time is it?
4:10.
Yeah, it could be even longer.
Yeah, it could be even longer. Never know. Just depends.
I never get anything, bro.
This makes me think of the first Hobbit movie. He's like, wait, stop. We need to turn back. I forgot my handkerchief.
What, are there more Hobbit movies?
No, that's the first one.
Yeah, they're probably coming from all those bodies of water.
Yeah,
Since there's all them.
more sense now. I was wondering why there's always so much meat.
Was that like 5 or 6 ponds that you just seen on the map?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9?
Yeah, I mean, there's smaller ones up, and then there's the whole river, of course. But yeah, I mean, that group there.
That might be. They might
This
be
is
doing it
bees.
over there.
Like, that's bees right there.
Oh yeah.
That's where bees is. Or it's that, or, well, yeah, I think bees is behind that big one. I think that's the water where we walked out to one time with them.
Dude, the way they're shooting over there.
No, it sounds like they're probably just looking practicing.
Sounds like they're goose hunting.
Yeah, it's kind of
Or duck hunting.
Yeah. Some things nobody must be.
Are you hearing them back on your left?
Yep. I think so.
There, kennel. Oh yeah, you hear a big flock again. Hard to get. You know? Down. Get her. Hey guys, thanks for watching another one of our hunts. If any of you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe. We'd love to have you on the rest of the videos to come. Currently, we're scouting new properties and farms to get more hunting spots so we can bring more content to the channel. Thanks again. We'll catch you on the next ones to come. Later.